Fizz in the kitchen, everyday science experiments. How to be a scientist. One way that scientists learn about the world is by doing experiments. You will learn about the science in your kitchen in this book. You shouldn't need to buy anything for these experiments. You'll probably have most of the things you'll need in your kitchen already. Don't forget to ask a grown up if you can use things, though. Before you begin an experiment, always read it all the way through to make sure you have everything you need. Bubble trouble. Soft drinks have loads of bubbles in them. These bubbles are there because a gas was mixed into the liquid. You can have some fun with these bubbles. A clear soft drink will work better than a cola. It will let you see what is happening. The Big Fizz. Expect some bubbling fun with this experiment. You will need to place the glass in a shallow dish or the sink to catch any overflowing foam. Please don't put your face too near the glass. The fizz gets very stinky. Air power. Trick your friends with this experiment. No one will believe that it will work. All you need is the kitchen sink, a plastic cup, a paper towel, and the air around you. Oily stuff. Oil and water do not mix. If you try to mix oil with water, you will see that when you stop stirring, the oil stays on the top or surface of the water. If you add some dish soap to the water, though, something very interesting happens. Waterworks. When you turn on the faucet, clean water for drinking, cooking, and washing comes pouring out. Before it reaches us, water has to be cleaned or filtered to get rid of bugs and dirt. We can make a water filter to remove some dirt. Just put a paper towel in a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, use a sleeve. So sticky. Every liquid in the kitchen has its own different stickiness. If you try stirring a jar of water, you'll find that it is easier than stirring a jar of molasses. We can do a stickiness test on some liquids to see which is the stickiest one of all. You'll need some water, molasses, vegetable oil, and dishwashing soap. Ketchup coins. Make any pennies you have lying around look shiny and new with this experiment. Ketchup in a squeezable bottle is ideal. If yours isn't a squeezable bottle, you can just put some ketchup in a small bowl and use a spoon instead. Moldy matters. You'll need 2 slices of bread and 2 chunks of cheese for this experiment. You won't be making sandwiches with it, though. We're going to find out why some food needs to be kept cold. Melting moments. When we are cooking or heating, chopping, mixing, and stirring, we are really doing experiments. Get a grown up to help you with this cooking experiment. Ask the grown up which bowl to use for step 1, 2. The end.